Hello my friends, welcome back to another video my friends. This is the big update for all Anchor coin, and a lot of Anchor coin holders and some people ask me personally about Anchor coin that we should buy Anchor coin or not in the July month. And you know what, today is the 1st July, so what I recommend for all of you as it is time to buy, sell or hold Anchor coin. And this video I'm going to show you that's also a complicated decision for all of you. Let me show you my friends, and let's see the price update, the price of the Anchor coin. After that we decide that as it is time to buy, sell or hold Anchor coin my friends. Before starting this video, please I really request everyone to please subscribe channel for more news and updates videos my friends. So now at this time my friends, the currently price of the Anchor coin in the market is 0.07 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Anchor coin. Furthermore, you can see 24 hours trading volume is positive, and total supply available supply of the Anchor coin, the market cap is also going good my friends, and the total supply is here my friends, very highly the total supply of the Anchor coin my friends. Furthermore my friends, you can see here at this time if we talk about the price changes my friends, is the price increase, is the price decrease. So from price chart it's clear that the price of the Anchor coin is completely fast down. You can see last 1 week, last 24 hours and last 1 hour, these all three changes is negative my friends. The price is very badly fast down. So my friends, what should we do in this critical situation as it is time to buy, sell or hold Anchor coin? My friends, at this time, you know what, a lot of people don't understand the dip concept my friends, but I really recommend for everyone to buy the dip. Buy now Anchor coin is much you want my friends, but absolutely if you when you buy a more amount of Anchor coins, so you will get a good amount of profit my friends. Buy more and more Anchor coin my friends, absolutely the profit will increase my friends. So at this time my friends, let me show you the price chart, what's going on. Is there the possibilities with the price pump? Oh my god, the price is very badly fast. And now this time today the whole cryptocurrency market is crashed my friends. You can see here that the price is very badly fast, but don't worry about that. Oh my god, you can see here, I think that that is this time the Anchor coin is in the pumping mood my friends, but the changes is negative. Very soon the changes will become positive my friends. So don't worry about the Anchor coin, absolutely Anchor coin will give you profit in the July month. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe channel for more news and updates videos my friends. Thanks for watching this video my friends.